Good evening, Bronco families. The following presentation includes the curriculum outline for dance in 6th, 7th, and 8th grades, as well as the 7th and 8th grade performance dance classes. A little about me, my name is Deanna Riley, and I've been part of the Bailey Middle School faculty for several years as our dance educator. I truly love what I do and have enjoyed watching students over the years develop a true appreciation for dance as an outlet for fitness and enjoyment, as an art form, and as a connection to culture and history, regardless of their experience and their abilities. I live in Huntersville with my husband Brian and our two sons, Alex and Ben, who attend Bailey and Huntersville Elementary, along with our 3-year-old dog Henry. On your screen, you'll see the North Carolina Essential Standards for Dance. Those include creating and performing, dance movement, responding, and connecting. Of course, students create and perform using choreographic principles, structures, and processes to create dance in order to communicate experience, feelings, and images. Students gain an understanding how performance values are used to help their own dance performance. Students, of course, learn various movement skills in dance. Also incorporated, students respond a great deal in dance and use a variety of thinking skills to analyze and evaluate either their own performance or a peer or a dance piece that I may provide to them. In regards to connecting, students will gain an understanding of various cultural, historical, and interdisciplinary connections with dance. The 6th grade dance curriculum is us introducing respectful and safe behaviors to them. Students learn a warm-up that helps to improve overall health principles. They explore dance, creating dance phrases, incorporating various basic elements of dance, and gain an understanding of what those are. Additionally, they will execute their technical skills, learning a hip-hop class dance, and work in groups to create hip-hop choreography of their own. Students additionally explore and execute dances from a variety of cultures and take part in a cultural dance project, presenting research information and performing these dances they've learned. Students also learn dance as a means of artistic expression through literacy. In 7th grade, we build on everything we've learned in 6th grade, even though it's not required to be in dance in 6th grade in order to take it in 7th. All the initial steps are the same, with the addition of while we are learning the hip hop dance in 7th grade, we layer on variables to increase their 21st century learning skills. Students also learn to dance as a means of artistic expression through a dance project utilizing song lyrics to explore communication and emotions and feelings and images or stories through dance. Additionally, they're introduced to a variety of dance techniques that include modern ballet and classical jazz. In the 8th grade curriculum, we again are building on and layering on various concepts learned in 6th and 7th grade. The level of difficulty does go up slightly in 8th grade. They take all the same steps again in the beginning. However, when we get to our hip hop dance, we layer on a requirement of students producing various choreographic forms and principles in their own choreography. Introduced in 8th grade is North Carolina and U.S. dance history. They do learn a basic shag, and then they create social dances, I should say, of their own that connect to a specific time period in our U.S. history. The students this year also have the opportunity to create an independent dance project of their choosing with my guidance, and also this allows for them to remain aligned with the 8th grade North Carolina Dance Essential Standards. 7th and 8th grade performance dance classes are audition based. You audition for those your school year prior. These students have a more enhanced warm up using the Ultra Bar dance conditioning program to make improvements in their dance movement. Also, they continue to grow in their knowledge of the elements of dance through their various performances and learn how to manipulate those for a more dynamic performance. They also continue to be educated and instructed on more of an intermediate and advanced level in terms of their technical skills, while still being able to maintain the integrity of their basic movements. Students will explore dance both in and out of the classroom in the performance dance classes. Hopefully we get to introduce them through some folks that come in and teach them some different types of choreography and movement. Students also continue to build on their improvisational and choreography skills in the class, working with small groups of varying abilities. Staying up to date with Broncos dance, there's always a lot going on in the dance department, and not just for the students in the classroom, but for the entire school. You can find a great deal of information on the dance website at broncosdance.weebly.com. So stop by there anytime to see the latest and greatest going on. Also, following us on social media, if that is a thing for you, on Instagram at Broncos Dance, or if you are on Facebook, if you like BMS Broncos Dance page and go to the menu, make sure you're following to receive notifications. A great deal of information is shared with the community that way. Joining our booster club greatly helps our program enhancements and classroom experiences and just overall opportunities for the kids at Bailey Middle School. Again, that is BMS Performing Arts Booster Club. Classroom procedures and expectations can be found on the dance webpage, so check that out under your child's respective grade level and under the classroom tab. You can expect to be an audience member or participate yearly in dance at events that include, or I should say this is for students primarily, the breast cancer awareness performance, Veterans Day program. We have a great holiday showcase and silent auction in December. Our Black History Month dance, International Night, we typically have a guest master choreographer come in and teach cultural dances that evening. Also, the North Carolina Dance Educational Organization offers local conferences and sponsored workshops that students can attend. There is National Dance Week, which is a lot of great fun, and our annual fundraiser dance-a-thon, where all students in the school are welcome to attend. And on certain years, we do host a Dancing with the Staff event. If you would like to check us out on YouTube, subscribe to the Below channel to see what's been happening at Bailey the past few years, and any upcoming events and performances can be caught on there. Or simply go to YouTube. If you search by Deanna Riley and subscribe, you can reach us that way. Thank you, everyone, and have a great evening.